In today's video, I am going to teach you how to integrate Google Analytics with Hubspot content. To get started, you will want to open your Hubspot account and make sure you are in the right settings area. This integration step is important because it connects your Hubspot website activity to your Google Analytics reporting, so you can see how visitors interact with your pages. When you are ready, go to Hubspot, then click Settings using the gear icon. The gear icon is usually located in the main navigation, and it is your gateway to all configuration options. Once you are in Settings, you will navigate to Content. This is where Hubspot organizes the tools and options that relate to the pages and public-facing experiences you manage. After you click Content, choose Pages. You should now see a section where you can select which domain you want to connect to Google Analytics. This matters because organizations can have more than one domain, and you want the correct one connected to the correct analytics property. Next, select your domain. Take a moment to make sure the domain shown here matches the website you care about. If you have multiple domains, selecting the wrong one would cause your analytics data to appear in the wrong place. When the correct domain is selected, you can continue. Now that you have chosen the right domain, click Integrations. This area lists the connections you can make between Hubspot and other tools. Integrations are where the setup for tracking and automation typically lives, and you are going to find the Google Analytics option in this list. After you open Integrations, look for the option to integrate with Google Analytics 4. Check the box that says Integrate with Google Analytics 4. This step enables the connection, but it still requires one key piece of information from Google Analytics, which is why the next step is so important. With Google Analytics 4 enabled, you will be prompted to enter your measurement ID. In the instructions, it is shown as something like G- followed by a series of characters. You will enter that measurement ID into the field provided. Take your time here and copy it carefully. Even small mistakes can prevent tracking from working correctly, so double-check that the full ID is entered exactly as it appears in Google Analytics. When you have entered the measurement ID, you are ready to finalize the changes. Click Save to store the integration settings. After saving, Hubspot will apply the connection for the selected domain, and Google Analytics will be able to start receiving page and visitor data from your Hubspot content. It can also help to understand what happens after you save. Integration does not always produce instant changes in reporting, because analytics data is collected and then processed by Google. However, once tracking is configured, you can test by visiting your pages and then checking that analytics activity appears in your Google Analytics reports over time. And that is all there is to it. That covers everything you need to know.